So here's how you can earn Temu credit and then use that to spend on whatever you want inside of Temu and not have to worry about paying for anything. So it's actually quite easy to do, but you want to make sure that you watch this full video so you don't miss out on any of the important steps that I'm about to go through. Also, if you found this tutorial helpful, then be sure to subscribe to the channel as it really helps out. So the very first thing that we need to do is go ahead and open our Temu account. We'll log out and go to the home page right over here. So then now once you're in the home page, which is how you open it, basically from here you want to go ahead and click on the U button, and then now you want to scroll down a little bit and then click on settings. So all you have to do is make sure that you set your country and region as the United States, and then also make sure that the currency is set as USD, as I believe that this offer is only set in the United States. So then from here you can go back and then you can see this option right over here that says earn credits and free gifts. So then just go ahead and click on that option, and then now at the very top it says 5 free gifts, easy mode for you. You get free gifts. There's also have cash reward, but in this case we want Temu credit. So at the very bottom it says lucky flip, went up to $70 of Temu credit. So click on that. Right, so once you're into this page, just follow exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to pick a random card. Essentially what you need to do for the intro of every one of these Temu games, but just go through these. It takes usually 30 seconds up to 1 minute, and then go ahead and start getting your Temu credit. So as you can see how this works right over here, it says 30 out of 100 diamonds, and then it says we need 70 more diamonds to go. And once we reach 100 diamonds, then we get a $70 Temu credit. And in order to get diamonds, you have to essentially invite new app users to download Temu. And then once you get referrals like that, then you can flip these cards and then earn diamonds. So that's essentially how it works. So now if you want to earn the Temu credit, you want to go ahead and click on invite new app users to flip. And then now at the bottom, it says copy link or copy code. So you can either choose however which one you want to promote, either your code or your link. Essentially with the code, people have to type in your code in the Temu search bar, and that's how you can get a referral. But with the copy link one, they just have to click on your link and then you get a referral, I believe. So you can go ahead and choose however which one you want to promote, send it to your family and friends. So I'm going to go ahead and click on copy link, and then essentially now you just want to copy that to your friends and families. Doesn't matter who you send it to. You can also promote it on any social media platform and get random people to refer. And then once you have enough referrals, then you can cash out that $70 Temu credit and then be able to spend that $70 on literally whatever you want inside of Temu.